In this video, we're going to review the process to create accounts, okay, to digitally sign the IFC files. Okay, in this first step, we will review the process to create the accounts. All right, so the first step is to create the roots account. Okay, so we will go to the URL that we're providing, and we can start by logging in. If the user doesn't have an account, which will be most of the cases, they can create a new one by signing up. Right? They can click on sign up. They will need to input their user email address to create the account and send the verification code. This will send the verification code to their emails. So they will receive it. They can copy this verification code back to the application, okay, and then we'll verify the code. After this is confirmed, the user can set their password following some characters required for security purposes as shown there. All right. Also, the user needs to fill all the additional data, in this case the country, for example, the name that it will display in this case for the application, all right, and their name. All right, so after that, uh, the user will be able to use the Stellar, which is the application that will display the IFC models, and they could review their models here in the Stellar. All right, so this is the first step. So now the user have the roots account to use the Stellar. In this case, we will log out from this button, so we can simulate when the user logs in, login, right? So in this case, the user can sign in back again with the account that we just created, all right, with the same credentials. Okay, so this is the first step. Now the user needs to create the second account. The second account is for Trust, where the user verifies the authenticity. Trust verifies the authenticity of the users and issues all the certificates, also the signature certificates. All right. So in this case, the user will need to download um, from App Store if they're using iPhone, or from Google Play Store if they're using Android. They will need to download the application called Trust. Okay, same as it's as the name showing on the screen, right? So after they download the application, they can register following these steps. First, they will need to accept the conditions, terms and conditions, create a PIN code, same a password, also a password, they will need a password. After that, the user needs to scan their document, ID document, on both sides. The application will make sure that the ID scans are correct and readable. After that, the user will need to also to do some video front camera face recognition. Okay, and the last step is to add the phone number, mobile phone number. So the application will confirm that they're using the registered number. Right? That's the process, the entire process to register an account. And after that, the user will receive an email from eBroadcast where it says that it was successfully issued a certificate. Only after the user receives this email, they can use the eBroadcast to sign the files. After that, they can sign files, sign IFC files in this tailor. Okay. So this is the first step. In the next video, we're going to show the process to sign the IFC files. All right, thanks.